When I first started, I thought filament was just plastic, but quality actually makes a huge difference. Not to mention, there are over 25 different types of filament with all different purposes and printer requirements. And don't skimp on cheap stuff, because cheap filament can cause clogging, stringing, weak parts, and inconsistent layers. That's why if you're a beginner, then find PLA from a trusted/known brand. It prints easier and saves you a lot of troubleshooting when you're just starting out.